ever wonder what it'd feel like if Spotify just decided to push your song like you were famous? Like one day you're just vibing, checking your stats, and suddenly your streams are surging like you dropped a collab with Drake.
This should be interesting.
Except you didn't. You just used a hack so slick, so algorithmically seductive, it tricked Spotify into thinking you were the next big thing. I'm talking about one of the wildest, most slept on tricks indie artists are using right now to hijack Spotify's system from the inside.
How do I do that?
No bots, no ads, just fans, strategy, and one smart campaign that makes the algorithm your hype man. I call it the Save Rate Surge campaign hack. And when I tell you it works, well, I mean, it really works. One artist in my music industry shortcut program ran a 7-day giveaway. Simple rules: save the song, DM a screenshot, get entered to win a custom hoodie and an unreleased demo. In 1 week, thousands of saves.
Hey, you guys ever seen this trick?
And guess what happened next? Discover Weekly picked it up. Song Radio followed. Suddenly, brand new fans started pouring in. People who had never heard of him were adding his track to their playlists like he was already on tour, all because he knew the secret language of the algorithm and used it. See, every time someone saves your song or adds it to a playlist, Spotify logs that as a green flag, a signal that says, yo, this track's sticky, people are coming back to it. And that's not just cute engagement, that's algorithm bait. Because when your save rate is high, especially in the first week of release, Spotify takes notice. It starts testing your song in places like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and Song Radio. It's not magic, it's math. And the crazy part, most artists aren't even asking for saves. They're begging for likes on Instagram, but ignoring the one metric that actually moves the needle inside Spotify. That's like trying to win a marathon by training for a TikTok dance. Here's how the Save Rate Surge hack actually works. Before I show you the secret, let me show you who's telling it.
You help a lot of people out here, bro. It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you.
Make a song for you, so you know. I ain't even started. Got a couple things I'm working through. I ain't even started. Got lots of shit on my to-do. I'm just about to flex. That don't include. My plan is to be the best.
Step 1, create a reward. It doesn't need to be big. Think merch, an unreleased demo, even a shout out. Step 2, make a clear CTA. If you love this song, hit save and DM me a screenshot. I'll pick a few winners. Step 3, use Instagram stories, close friends lists, or pinned reels to promote it like a mini event. You want fans to feel like their save means something because it does.
Yeah, you like that?
You're teaching them that supporting you isn't just emotional, it's algorithmic. And once they realize that a save is worth more than a like or a comment, they start to show up differently. It's not just fandom anymore, it's a mission. Want proof? Let me tell you about this indie rapper who dropped a track. He did a 7-day push, save the song, share it to your IG story, enter to win signed merch. At first, his daily saves were like a trickle, but by day 3, floodgates. People started tagging him, sharing clips, hyping it up. By the end of the week, his save count had tripled.
Say what? Say what?
Spotify noticed, the song landed in Discover Weekly. From there, Song Radio started testing it. His monthly listeners doubled.
You'd never have to beg for sex again.
And the track was completely independent. No label, no playlist plug. Just one artist who played the game smarter. Because this isn't just about marketing, it's about showing your fans how to move for you. When you shift the narrative from please like my song to you can actually help this go viral, people feel empowered. You're not just entertaining them, you're recruiting them. And that's when you go from being another artist in their feed to being someone they ride for. But the real secret? Momentum. Once that engine starts revving, you don't slam the brakes, you stack. That's why what you do next matters even more.
Can I talk to you real quick? Just a second, please.
Real quick, for you artists who really care about skyrocketing your career, I put together a free cheat code checklist that breaks down all these hacks step by step. Click this link in the description to grab it anytime and use it like a Spotify growth map.
Now, where were we?
Don't go ghost. Don't drop a song. Run a cool campaign. Then disappear like a magician. Follow up. Share the save stats. Post reactions. Tease the next drop. Give fans a reason to stay engaged and Spotify a reason to keep watching. Because once you've shown the algorithm that your song gets saved, shared, and replayed, you've entered a whole new game, and now the system's working for you. If you've ever felt like you were shouting into the void every time you released a song, this is your answer. Not a hope, a strategy. You don't need a label. You don't need 100,000 followers. You need a reason for fans to act in a system that knows how to read those actions. That's the beauty of this hack. It turns your release into a trigger, your fan base into fuel, your song into a signal, and suddenly Spotify starts treating you like you've already made it.
You're welcome.
And if you're still here, you're not just watching, you're absorbing cheat codes most artists never hear. Grab the 50 Spotify hacks from my description below for free and go to my channel for even more cheat code videos like this one.
The end.